Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a chessboard. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To see my next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line just to form a square shape. Draw another square box just parallel to the first one by using standing line, sleeping line, standing line, and again sleeping line. Now draw a sleeping line on top of the square. Now draw another 6 sleeping line just like the first one by leaving equal space and parallel to each other. Now draw 7 standing line by leaving equal space parallelly. By using 7 sleeping line and 7 standing line, we will get 8 squares on each row. Now write down the alphabet on top of each square box from A to H. So totally 8 squares in 8 row. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So totally 8 square boxes. Again write alphabet on bottom of the board from A to H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Write numbers from 1 to 8 on left side of the board on each square box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Write numbers from 1 to 8 on your right side on your left side. Let's start coloring. Black color. Give color in alternate box. Leave first, third, fifth and 7th box empty in first row. In second row, leave 2nd, 4th, 6th and 8th box empty. And give color in A, C, E, G box. In third row, give color in B, D, F and H box. And leave white color in A, C, E and G boxes. In fourth row, give black color in A, C, E and G boxes. And leave white spaces in B, D, F and H boxes. In fifth row, give black color in B, D, F and H boxes. And leave white spaces in A, C, E and G box. Now repeat the steps for 6th, 7th and 8th row by coloring alternative boxes. Light brown color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please try this drawing and share the picture in comment section. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a minion theme. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.